Could you tell me about your qualifications and experience? Certainly. Tell me about your strengths. Here is a document. I prepared everything. Actually, I would like to hear it from you. That's a challenge. My English isn't fluent enough. Just give me one example of a strength. It is written under key skills. This position requires strong communication. Well, I can communicate very well after 5 hours of preparation. Thank you for your time. So, what's your decision? Your document really impressed me. Your communication didn't. I wrote it. I'm so sorry. Bye. You can get out now. Next, please.